you be willing to spend $100 to land the client of your dreams? As apparel decorators, we all have those target clients in our market or in our community that we would love to bring into our business. We know that they would change our business and deliver sales growth like we haven't experienced before. Well, in this video, I want to show you an idea for how you can go out and finally win that client. And I've seen this formula and recipe work with other apparel decorators in different communities. The trick is physical samples. People are tired of just receiving emails and phone calls and text messages and Facebook messages, and the list goes on and on. But when you deliver a physical sample in that actual client's logo, something they can touch and feel that's different than what they've seen before, odds are you're going to get that call back and you're at least going to get a chance for a meeting and a quote with them. Well, here at Stahls, we equip you to win business, to grow your sales with heat printing. One of our fastest growing products out there in the market is the category of dimensional logos. Now they come in many shapes and styles from leather to embroidered and on, but I'm going to show you one that I love. It's called FlexStyle. Some people market it in their business as liquid embroidery. It's a dimensional logo that has some rays and some texture and really shows a client something that they're seeing on the retail shelf from the pros. And the best news is all you need is a heat press to deliver this. Not just any heat press, but a heat press that heats from top and bottom, because we want to place these FlexStyle transfers onto items that are high-end and heat-sensitive that may scorch or crease, etc. So with the right tool for the job, like the Hotronix 360 IQ hat press, we can make these samples fast and quick. Let me explain how it works. FlexStyle comes to you just like this. It's a transfer. All you have to do is peel back the white backing, position it on your item of choice, and heat apply with top and bottom heat. We'll get into how to make it in a second, but I really want to talk about how to sell it because I think that's more important. When you're selling FlexStyle, one of the benefits is you can pay $26 to have a client's logo set up and create a virtual sample. For an additional $12.50, you can actually get 5 physical samples of that logo into your business. So for less than $50, you're getting 5 samples in your client's logo ready to heat press to products of your choice. Whether that's this quarter zip, which is a high-end Adidas garment, or a Richardson cap, or a Columbia cap, we're going to model this out for Anchor and Trident fishing charters. We're using this as our imaginary target client to show you how it would work. And so if you're doing the math, we have a little less than $50 in getting the logos to our door. A little less than $50 in the blanks that we've selected, and so we're all in for $100. Now we need to get to work decorating these products so we can either send them out in a nice ready-to-open package to the target decision maker, or go down, if they're in the community, and hand this off and drop this off to them immediately. But first, we need to decorate the samples and let you see how it works. Let's come in closer to the heat press to show you that process. We're going to start with the Richardson 112P, which is the printed version of this popular low-profile cap. We're using the Hotronix 360 IQ, which is the latest in heat press technology for headwear. And I'm going to flip the sweatband out to load my cap, and then lock down my hold-down device to get the cap nice and tight onto the platen. I work the cap a little bit to make sure it's flat, and this is how quick and easy it is to print one sample. I'll kiss the heater against the cap just to warm it a little bit to receive my transfer. And then I'll grab one of my FlexStyle transfers. In this case, we're doing the FlexStyle textured version in a clear color, and there's many different choices that we can discuss when it comes to FlexStyle. I'm going to position that into place, holding it against the cap to make sure that there's good contact. Cover it with my special foam cover pad, and then I lock the machine down. 280 degrees on top, 320 degrees on bottom for 30 seconds. This machine will automatically open when it's completed, and we'll have one sample item complete, and then we'll move on to the next. Unlock the hold-down device, remove my cap, and I have a completed finish and logo. We'll take a close-up look here in just a moment. Let's decorate our next item. Each item only takes a couple minutes to decorate. In this case, we're using this Columbia Omni Shade hat, which will be perfect for this client. So it's as much about selection of the logo, but also selection of the blanks. And this just shows you how nice this heat press is, and it can even do larger caps like we're seeing here. Again, making sure that I have a completely flat printing surface. I'm going to kiss the heater against it just to warm it. Grab my transfer logo, position it into place on the panel. Cover it with the special foam cover pad. And lock the machine down. I had a little too much pressure last time, so I'm just going to retract the pressure a little bit, and then we'll lock the machine into place. We have a completed product. Let's head over to the table to show you how to do apparel on this cap press. I'm doing a little bit of staging on the apparel because it's really tough to line up your logo when you're over at the heat press in the proper spot, especially on that small surface. So I'm pinching top shoulder, running a centering line down, and making sure that logo is about 6 to 8 inches down from the corner. With it positioned into place, I like to use a generous amount of thermal tape, which is a heat-resistant tape, to make sure that the logo is not going to move its position when I'm moving the garment over to my heat press. With the logo taped in place, I'll unzip to prepare it for loading, and then let's head back to the press to load it on. My goal at the heat press is to get the garment to a single layer. So I'll need to grab the garment, slide it through, and then just shimmy it to be able to get to the proper print location without moving. I'm letting the zippers fall down off of the edge, holding it against the contact of the heat for just a couple seconds to get it to hold well, covering it with my cover pad, and then I know I've already preset my control board. So even though I can't see it, I know it's going to get the 280 degrees on top, 320 degrees on bottom for 30 seconds, which is the recommended application for headwear or apparel when we're working with top and bottom heat and FlexStyle. Once the application is complete, my number one goal is to get the garment flat while the adhesive is still warm as soon as possible. So I'll keep some space to the side of the table, apply a little hand pressure just to make sure my logo is flat and it doesn't stay in the permanent cupped position of the cap press. I'll let this cool completely down before removing the thermal tape. Once it's cooled down, I'll grab the corner of the tape and remove it from my transfer. Let's take a look at all of our completed results. So in less than 10 minutes, for less than $100, we've created 3 high-quality samples with 2 additional logos that we can apply to other products once we deliver these to the client. And so here's why I'm so confident you're going to break through and win new clients. I want to look at these from a technical perspective. Number 1, the Richardson 112 cap, or any structured cap for that matter, or acrylic cap. The cap marketplace is broad and it's difficult to decorate. Most decorators are delivering these products, if they're selling them at all, with scorching and creasing on the hat, or they're only able to offer embroidery if they're highly skilled in that area. The fact that I can walk in with a new style of logo, whether it's this clear FlexStyle that we're showing you here, or even a metallic FlexStyle like you're seeing here, or a flat FlexStyle like you're seeing here, there's so many choices out there to be able to do these products accurately. Now, being able to do odd-shaped items, like this other hat that we decorated. You're not going to see a lot of shops decorating this, and so showing them new branded product with high-end branded logos is going to open their eyes to new opportunities. And then last but not least, the performance wear. I mean, we're all scorching performance wear in the past. Now you can decorate it accurately, not just accurately, but with dimensional logos. Any other heat press on the market is not going to accomplish this result. But if you have the right equipment and the right know-how for the job, you can deliver looks like this. And so a lot of people will say, I can't afford a $2,000 heat press. This one's $1,675. But I would say you can't afford not to have it. I think it can radically grow your business. Each of the items that I decorated are delivering a minimum of $10 in profit per piece. So we're talking about payback on that machine in 168 items. You think if you deliver these to your dream client, you could sell 60 sets of items for their fishing charters? I think so. And so think differently, think premium, and grow your business. Get these physical samples in your target customers' hands, and even show them to your existing best customers in their logo. Now they may start relying on you for more product and increase their average order value. If you like this type of content, make sure you click like on the video and leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them there as well. We're here and we're happy to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.